In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to break the connection to Excel after you've moved an Excel chart into PowerPoint. This is a useful skill when you want to ensure that your PowerPoint presentation remains static and doesn't automatically update every time changes are made to the original Excel file. Whether you're preparing a report or crafting a presentation for colleagues or stakeholders, ensuring that your charts are unlinked from Excel can help in maintaining consistency and accuracy in your slides. Let's get started by heading over to your Excel worksheet. Here, you'll want to locate the chart that you've prepared and are planning to transfer over to PowerPoint. Once you have found the chart, select it with your cursor. This is an important step because simply highlighting the wrong area could result in not being able to paste the chart correctly later on. Now with your chart selected, it's time to copy it. You can do this quickly and easily by pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard. When you press Ctrl+C, you're essentially telling your computer to store a copy of the chart temporarily so you can paste it elsewhere. This is a standard action for copying content in most applications. Next, we need to move on to PowerPoint. Open PowerPoint on your computer and navigate to the specific presentation where you intend to place your chart. Once you have your presentation open, you need to make sure you are on the correct slide. If you're unsure about which slide you want the chart on, take a quick moment to decide, as this will help in organizing your presentation more effectively. With the right slide in front of you, direct your attention to the top of the PowerPoint window where you'll find the Home tab. Clicking on the Home tab is crucial because that's where the Paste command is located within the menu. Once you've accessed the Home tab, it's time to click on Paste. However, instead of pasting the chart directly, there's an additional step that will help you in breaking the connection to Excel. Hover over the options within the Paste drop-down menu and you'll see an option labeled Paste as Picture. Go ahead and select it. By choosing Paste as Picture, you're instructing PowerPoint to insert the chart as a static image rather than a linked Excel object. This method ensures that the chart in your PowerPoint presentation will not update even if changes occur in the original Excel workbook. Congratulations, you've successfully moved your chart into PowerPoint while breaking its connectivity to Excel. This straightforward method is an effective way to keep your presentations reliable and precise without unexpected alterations.